Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to certify it with the Rovo Fundamental ACH-800 certification. So Atlassian is providing the Rovo Fundamental certification code is ACH-800. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to getting the 100% free Rovo Fundamental ACH-800 certification. So now Rovo Fundamental ACH 800 is a artisan certification that proves basic knowledge of the Robo, that is the AI search, chat and agents using the across the Atlassian tools. So this is the beginner level certification, and fundamental certification is the exam type with the MCQ online and valid for the 12 months and ideal for the new Robo users. So official certification link is this one. We'll go through the step by step process regarding the certification here. So just open this link. So earn the Robo Fundamental Certification and demonstrates the Robo skill. Earning the Robo Fundamental Certification prove your ability to find the learn, act and information about using the Robo search, chat and agent across the Atlassian Connect third-party apps. So I have the sorry. So Robo Fundamental is there. So open the full exam detail. So if you go through this detail, you will get this one Robo basic operation using the Robo agent, using the Robo chat and Robo search is 20%. So it's exam specific. There is a price is the free. Exam time is 45 minutes and questions up to 20. Passing score 70% and location known. Proctorate online and valid for the 12 months. Means they are not going to monitor your exam. This is the open book exam, just like you can say that, and certificate renewal. So valid for the 12 months. To the renew, please retake the free exam. So now I'm going to sign up there. So you can use your sign up with your account, Gmail account or Microsoft account, Apple account and Slack also. So done. Now accept and continue. So my learning is there. Exam detail. So here go for the certification portal. So cert matrix is going to take your exam. Go to the schedule exam. So certiverse, just SSO to single sign on. So go to the exam. Here you will find the Robo Fundamental. ACH 800 is there. Just click there. Click on the get started. Before that, go through this. Duration is 45 minutes. Language is English and on proctorate. And exam description is there. Exam blueprint will be there. So percentage, the weightage of that, you will get it there. So now click on the get started. So here Atlassian is there, Rovo Fundamental and other details are there. Your company name, select your location to will be taking exam. So click on next. So now by clicking the accept and continue, you can go through all the details and just click on the accept and continue. So we have a exam this one. Robo fundamental is there. There is a ready, and when you will go to the final, this is the final page. You can see the all the details. If you want to start the exam, just click on the start. So enter the full screen, and the exam will be started. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Rovo Fundamental ACH certification, and provider is the Atlassian. So this is a beginner exam level is the beginner and fundamental. Disclaimer is that all trademarks logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Note: follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on the YouTube comment. I will reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.